Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. There is an old Chinese saying, eat radish in winter and ginger in summer. This means that when the weather is cold in winter, the human body is prone to external cold and internal heat. Eating some radish can clear away internal heat. In summer, when the outside is hot and the inside is cold, eating ginger can warm the body and strengthen the spleen and stomach. Today's recipe is pickled radish, which is crunchy and delicious. Let's get started. Prepare a daikon, about 1,000 grams, wash it, remove both ends. Peel it. Cut into thin slices. Transfer to a big bowl. Prepare 50 grams of sugar, add to the daikon slices. Mix well with your hands. And marinate for an hour. At this time, prepare other seasonings. 3 cloves of garlic, sliced. 2 small red peppers, chopped. 10 grams of peeled ginger, sliced. Plus 6 tablespoons light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. After an hour, pour out the water from the daikon slices. Add light soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, chili, and ginger slices. Combine well with your hands. Pour into a container with a lid. Refrigerate for an hour before eating. Use clean chopsticks to take out some when serving. When your dinner table is full of meat dishes, a small plate of refreshing daikon slices is a great way to relieve greasy. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.